I believe we are done with question 11. Yes, correct. A very good question. So I think 12 is probably our last question. All right, let's take a look together. I've got one more. After 12, take one more. Okay, later take a look. Never mind. Okay, question 12. The table shows some information about substance A to F. Ladies and gentlemen, in the exam such question come out, people will start to lose marks. Okay? Where? Talking about that, your recent graded assignment. Some of you, lost so many marks in that question. The table, remember? Right? The one that you just submitted, I just marked. You probably received the marks already and my comments together with your parent. Okay? Using information provided suggests the best separation technique to separate the following mixture. It's not easy, huh? All right, so we have this mixture. Let's separate them out, right? So one at a time, let's play. Okay, always be mindful. Keyword, steps. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a reason people give you this, give you this, give you this, gives you this. You're supposed to look at them together. Okay? And we are going to cross topic all the way to the front. All right? As we move, you keep crossing to the front, crossing to the front. All right? You have to hold your content. Let's take a look at these two. Talk so much, no use. Ready? A and B. Okay, let me use two different color. A and B. What is A? A turns directly from solid to gas. While B has very high melting point. This already tell me what? That tell me A tends to what? Solid to gas. It tends to sublimes. If you ask for reasoning, this is my reason. I say A sublimes. Based on the data, it show me it sublimes. B is a solid with high melting point. So it exists as a solid. So the technique of separation is therefore sublimation, as shown in the notes that I've given you and discussed. Done. Next, C and D. C has quite a high melting point and boiling point. It conducts electricity when... No, it does not conduct electricity when solid. And it does not dissolve in water. D. Low melting point, low boiling point. Very good. I already tell you to be sensitive to this value already. D is ethanol. Ethanol forms a miscible liquid with water. That's why it's called dissolve in water. Ethanol also don't conduct electricity when solid. But it's a liquid in the first place. What is probably C? Or can we say something about C? C, take a look, high melting point, high boiling point. Most important, at 25 degrees Celsius, which is room temperature, it exists as a solid. Kinetic particle theory, our first topic. I told you to come back and haunt you. Okay, or to help you. All of my Sec 4 students, you give them this question, they will give you 0 marks, I tell you. I'm very sure. Okay? 4 marks, they'll get 1 mark, 0 to 1 mark. They'll fill this question. Does it dissolve in water? It doesn't dissolve in water. But I'm not talking about water, I'm talking about ethanol, right? So very important is this is a solid, a high melting point solid. All right. High melting point solid. So it's like a piece of solid. Solid with ethanol. Ethanol exists as a what? Liquid. How do I know? We know ethanol well as I use kinetic particle theory. So ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? What do we want to use? Separation technique. Shoot, wrong, never mind.
Simple distillation.
Simple distillation. Did they say they dissolve in each other? Find out your mixture first. What is this mixture? Most likely. They never say it's dissolved in ethanol, right? Did they say? Decanting or filtration. Yeah. Right now, just filter it out. If not, if you think it's a very big piece, you use decanting. Normally, we just use filtration. We assume it's small fluids. You okay? Are you with me? Are we talking? So let's go to D again, right? So D, once again, we know is an ethanol liquid. You should know this one because we know E very, very well. What is E? 0 melting point, 100 boiling point. This is water. So this is a miscible liquids. Yes? Miscible liquid. So the technique is known as, very good, right? Fractional distillation. All this is described in the notes. E and F. What is E? E once again is water. All right. So where's my box? Hey, where are you? Yeah. This is water. H2O liquid. What is F? Let's take a look. What are you? What is I? F. Melting point, boiling point, not very high. Does it conduct electricity when solid? No. And does it dissolve in water? No. So it doesn't mix with water, doesn't dissolve water. Very important, I want to know what is F. At 25 degrees Celsius, it is a liquid. It is a liquid that does not dissolve in water. Thank you. This is an immiscible liquids. Sorry, immiscible liquids, and therefore, wait, give me a moment. Therefore, we use separating fractional.
If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you would like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com. You'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.